commuting, traveling, or short on storage. Our video to the best folding bikes shows how to choose compact rides without sacrificing speed or comfort. We'll compare wheel sizes, frame materials, fold times, carry weights, and gear ranges, plus hinge security, tire clearance, and rider height limits. You'll learn which models fit under desks, in car trunks, or on trains, and what to expect from e-folders. Clear picks for city hops, multimodal trips, and daily fitness. Light, reliable, and quick everywhere. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below, and make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Outroad Folding Mountain Bike. If you want a trail-ready bike that folds for easy transport and storage, the Outroad Folding Mountain Bike gives you versatility without a garage full of gear. You get a high carbon steel frame with dual suspension to smooth out bumps, paired with 26-inch wheels and sturdy 6-spoke rims for confident riding on mixed terrain. You'll have gears for every climb and sprint. The 21-speed drivetrain lets you shift quickly at your fingertips so you can dial in cadence on flats, uphills, and descents. Front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power and better control when trails get steep or surfaces turn slick. You also get practical details for everyday use. Quick-release components make folding, wheel removal, and transport simpler, while the included kickstand, mudguards, and toolkit keep you prepared from doorstep to trailhead. Free pedals and a comfortable saddle come in the box, so you can assemble and ride sooner. Fit and specs are straightforward. The 17-inch frame and 26-inch wheels are recommended for riders about 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet. The seat height, brakes, and shifting can be adjusted. Note that the handlebar height is fixed. Bike weight is approximately 39 pounds. If you value a capable ride that tackles daily commutes, weekend paths, and light trails, then folds down to fit in a trunk or closet. This Outroad delivers solid suspension, wide gear range, and dependable disc braking in a compact go-anywhere package. At number 4, ZiZZO Campo Folding Bike. If you want a portable bike that folds fast, rides reliably, and fits your day-to-day routine, the ZiZZO Campo makes commuting and weekend errands simple. You get a lightweight, high-carbon steel frame with 20-inch wheels that folds in seconds, easy to carry upstairs, stash under a desk, or slide into a car trunk, so you don't have to leave it locked outside. You'll have the right gear for varied terrain. A 7-speed drivetrain with a grip-style shifter lets you spin smoothly on flats and click into lower gears for mild hills, keeping your cadence comfortable and your ride efficient. The rigid setup keeps maintenance low and handling responsive in busy streets. You also dial in a better fit. An easy folding adjustable aluminum alloy stem plus an adjustable seat post help you find a comfortable position, while a wider cushioned saddle supports longer trips. Resin folding pedals slim the folded profile, and a kickstand makes quick stops straightforward. You keep the package tidy when folded. A magnetic frame catcher locks the halves together, so carrying is cleaner, and the bike doesn't unfold unexpectedly in transit. If you value a quick fold, practical gearing, and compact storage without extra fuss, the ZiZZO Campo delivers a light, adaptable folder you can take anywhere and set up for a comfortable ride in minutes. Number 3, we have the Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike. If you want a simple, durable folder that tucks away fast and handles daily errands without drama, the Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike fits the job. You get a sturdy, low standover alloy steel frame with 20-inch closet, office, or most car trunks. The included carry storage bag keeps things clean when you bring it inside. You keep maintenance to a minimum. A single-speed drivetrain means fewer parts to adjust and smooth coasting when you need a breather. Perfect for flat commutes and short city hops. One pedal folds while the other stays standard, slimming the profile for tighter spaces without changing your pedaling feel. You also ride cleaner and carry more. Full wrap fenders help keep road spray off your clothes, and the rear rack gives you a spot for a backpack, groceries, or a small pannier so your shoulders can relax. Despite its compact fold, the Hinge supports up to 300 pounds, offering real-world utility for everyday use. Designed to fit a wide range of riders, the Hinge is a practical, no-nonsense way to add bike mobility to your routine. If you value easy storage, low upkeep, and commuter-friendly touches in a foldable package, This Schwinn makes getting around the city simpler, then stows in seconds when you're done. At number 2, Schwinn Loop Folding Bike. If you want a hassle-free way to commute, stash your bike indoors, and take it anywhere, the Schwinn Loop Folding Bike keeps city riding simple. You get a compact aluminum frame with 20-inch wheels that folds quickly for easy storage in an apartment, office, car trunk, or recreational vehicle. The fit is flexible too. It's designed for riders from about 4 feet 4 inch to 6 feet 4 inch, so family members can share when needed. You'll move smoothly through traffic and hills. A 7-speed twist shifter delivers reliable gear changes for flats and mild climbs, while front and rear hand brakes give you confident stopping power in crowded bike lanes and wet conditions. The rigid setup keeps the ride responsive without extra weight. You also get practical touches for everyday use. The included rear carrier rack hauls a small bag or groceries, and the heavy-duty nylon storage bag makes it easy to carry and protect the bike when folded. Lightweight construction helps with lifting upstairs or onto public transit, and the compact fold reduces theft worries. Bring it inside instead of locking it outside. Maintenance stays straightforward with common components and easy-to-adjust brakes and drivetrain. If you value a portable bike that shifts cleanly, stops confidently, and folds down fast for real-life urban routines, the Schwinn Loop turns commuting and weekend exploring into a grab-and-go ride. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike. If you want serious power, long range, and true portability in one foldable e-bike, the Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike lets you ride farther with less effort. You get a 1,000-watt brushless motor paired with a 7-speed drivetrain to tackle steep hills and longer routes, with assist up to about 30+ miles per hour, and a max range up to 80 miles, depending on rider, terrain, and mode. You'll spend more time riding and less time charging. The 48-volt, 20.8 ampere-hour removable battery adds real-world convenience. Pop it out to charge indoors, then click it back in for your commute or weekend exploration. You stay in control of how you ride. Choose among 3 class modes, 5 levels of pedal assist, and the 7-speed transmission to match effort and speed. A clear LCD with charging port shows speed, mileage, and battery status at a glance, so you can pace your day and top up accessories on the go. When it's time to stash or travel, you fold it down fast. The compact folding carbon steel frame makes it easy to store in an apartment, car trunk, or recreational vehicle, and just as quick to deploy at your destination. If you value punchy acceleration, generous range, and a fold-and-go design that fits everyday life, Cybervelo gives you the versatility to commute during the week and roam on the weekend without leaving power behind. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which folding bike you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.